I let Angel in. Hi, honey. Oh, that's a good girl. You can just lay down. Oh, you're such a good girl. You are such a wonderful dog. Hey, Black and Tan, you're missing out on dinner. Get over there. Get over on your mama. She's like, hey, you guys are using your teeth. And this is why they start to wean them when they're about 4 weeks old. What you see there? Oh, all the chickens are in our driveway. I see them. It's alright. It's okay, Angel. I know. We're not going to have chicken for dinner. Yeah, they keep getting closer and closer and closer. They're going to jump across the fence and then they're going to be toast. Hi. Are they attacking you? That was short-lived, my love. She's like, nope, I'm not laying down. She's like, will you stop with the teeth? Hey, I'm not your mama. Your mama's over there. Go over there. See, they're using their teeth. And they scratch with their little nails. Even though I trim them. Like, she does not like that. That hurts. We got a car. Well, in less than 2 weeks, I will be breaking ground on my new barn. It's going to take several months. It's probably going to take 6 to 8 months before I'm completely in it. But the first thing we're doing is we're draining. Oh, are you listening to me? I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I am. You know my voice. The first thing we're doing is we're draining the pond. And then we're digging out a 3/4 acre pond. That's going to be about 10 to 12 feet deep. We'll see how deep we can get it because I'm going to stock it with fish and I'm going to put a dock on it. And we're going to use the dirt to build my house pad and my barn pad. And then we have to get fill dirt. And then we have to bring in the concrete people to frame everything up. And then we have to bring in the plumber and the electrician and the septic guy. And then you pour your concrete. It is going to be a process. I've done this several times before, so I'm very familiar with the process. But it's happening. So after, I moved here the 1st of October of 2021. So it'll be going on 1 year and 10 months. So when we get done building the barn, we'll have cover for the animals. There's a 50-foot by 10-foot covered area with 5 stalls for the goats, the ponies, and the horses. But right now I'm selling the horses, so I only have ponies. And then a 50 by 10-foot covered area on concrete for the puppies and the dogs. But there's 10 feet inside the building that's air conditioned and heated and has fans and everything. And so those are 5 by 10 foot kennels inside, but they have a doggy door and they're 5 by 50 foot outside. But that connects to 2 acres. So they're not necessarily just going to be in a 5 foot by 10 foot, 50 foot long run. They're going to be connected to the outside. And of course, the puppies on the inside will get to go all over the building. Because the building itself is 50 by 50. And it's just going to be nice because then I will be away from the road. and I'll be completely covered. All my animals will be in one area instead of spread out all over the property, and I will be a happy camper, and all my animals will be safe. So I'm looking forward to that. Angel, you're such a good girl. You're such a good mama. You are. Alright, my love. My phone is almost out of battery, so I gotta turn off. Bye, guys.